Daily Dose has uploaded a video called Funny Animals Videos Ever, Part 1. I'm guessing there's going to be a Part 2 at some point, maybe tomorrow, but who knows. All right, we're going to watch the video, though.
Grammarly provides a bunch of different suggestions to improve the correctness and style of your writing. We write entire paragraphs and sentences in a click.
Okay, I thought the skip ad button would pop up, but for some reason, I'm just going to refresh.
These are the funniest animal videos ever.
I like that little sound effect, though. It didn't sound like that, but yeah. What's in there? Ah, what is... Jesus Christ.
Mr. Krabs! Come over here. He looks so cute!
Yeah, oh, ew, what happened?
Why are you still here?
What made that sound? Hold on, wait a minute. I thought...
Oh my god!
That's just weird. I thought it was this thing, whatever this thing is, but was it the pig?
Why are you still here? Go away!
Oh, he's just chilling. Damn, bro.
Wilson just coughed
Give me just a second.
and farted.
He really had to go. Damn! Was that just perfect timing? A coincidence? What's chasing him?
These people were lost and stopped to ask for directions.
Buenas tardes, perdona, para Bolonia.
Wait, verga. There was a similar video in one of the daily doses that I reacted to yesterday, where the guy pulled over and asked for and the cow just went like that.
Qué bueno, tío.
Holy! Hey Flash, you want some Vienna sausages? I don't think Flash is that big.
Oh my god! He's eating my car, maybe there's something dead on it.
Right in the eye, dude. That sucks.
This sheep was stuck in a trench and got rescued.
Oh. Oh. Is it injured? Oh no.
Thank you for being so patient. You've been so patient. Okay, now.
He's gonna spit at you. I told you. I warned you. You didn't listen.
This poor little hedgehog deflated. These girls found a squirrel on the side of the road that they thought could use some help.
Oh my god.
This person tried picking up a frog.
Oh damn. That's messed up. That's messed up. I honestly, if I were to see a squirrel laying in the side of the road like that, I think it would be like roadkill or something. From afar, you know, I don't have the balls to go up to it and be like, "Yo, you okay?" Because obviously that could happen, but okay, yeah, I don't know. Squirrels are menaces, yo.
Hey!
Absolutely not. Honestly, I wasn't expecting I heard the whistling. I thought it would be a dude like in there with some sort of animal. Little did I know it was gonna be like a what even is that? Is that like a parakeet or something? I don't know. I don't know bird species, but they can imitate and mimic sounds.
Alright, no, that won't go paw in your cheek. Come here. No, no.
He's in. He's. Oh no no no! I can't see. I can't see kangaroos, man. They freak me out. I don't like I don't like the way they move. I don't like anything about them.
The streamer was trying to sneak up on this deer without scaring it.
Oh.
Someone saw it in the security camera, and it scared the snow leopard.
Aww, why is he so adorable?
He's like, oh, there's a camera on me.
He's probably like my size, but he still looks adorable. You just killed the vibes. You just killed the vibe. You are the type of person to go to a party. Okay, I wouldn't know because I don't go to parties. But you would go to the party. Everyone would say a joke, right? And giggle, and you would be the one bursting out laughing, and you just kill the vibes. You just kill the. That's what happened.
Rude.
So this is really interesting, and I have no explanation for why, but this frog refuses to jump outside of this circle.
Yeah.
Wow, it's kind of like ants, right? If you circle around an ant or a ladybug or something like that, the same thing would happen. I wonder why. Is there a reasoning for that? Damn.
Oh my god. Nah, that's the maddest, bro. Bro? That's sick. Gonna put it on, bro? He's not gonna put it on. Bro, he's gonna put it on, bro.
It is gonna put it on.
Nah!
They're so fucking smart. I would have gone for the watch myself, but I guess he already has one of those. Jesus.
Hi!
For some reason, this horse doesn't like talking to men.
No boys, right? Especially not this one.
Oh wow. Like when will humans learn? Like you would think like you would kind of see videos online and you would be like, "Oh, okay. I know not to get close to what are they? Llamas, alpacas? I don't know." Like you would think you would know, but why do people just man, I just don't know. I don't get it. Oh. This to me is so weird. Yeah. Yeah, it's just weird.
His horses that were in the field.
For the horses here. And this one might have got a little close.
These two little guys were spotted doing push-ups at the gym. This gorilla was upset that their stick got stuck.
Someone help him. Oh, no. Don't they have the force to just yank it? Oh, they're gonna gang up on him. You seen his face? Did you see his reaction? Look at him. He's like... Oh, that's so funny. Oh, come on. Look at that, bro. I can't. Oh? Are you kidding me? Oh?
Poor guy got so upset.
Why are you teasing bears? Why? Why? Are you looking for them to flip over your vehicle? And oh my god, dude. Yeah, that's something out of cartoons, man.
Are you good or are you bad?
Bad.
I'm not sure if this cat is really brave.
That was actually
really
a good
dumb.
one. Aww. I kind of felt
This poor
bad,
pelican
even though
suddenly
it's
fell
a,
asleep.
you know.
They will. Look, he just has to. Yeah.
Jesus.
Hey.
Poor thing.
This cat
Oh,
was chasing
man.
a mouse and couldn't figure out where it went.
Where's the mouse, Tucker?
Where's the mouse?
Where's the mouse?
That's just, hey, that's just freaky.
I'm trying to.
They have to, yo, I'm telling you right now, respect to Australians. I mean, I can never live in Australia. I'm sorry. With all the spiders and all the weird shit, the kangaroos, I can't. But they have some balls on them. They do. Because grab the mouse by the tail, like, hell no. Hell no. I live in the hood, okay? I live in housing. I would never grab a mouse by the tail. Hell no. Hell no.
I guess you never know when squirrels might
They
attack.
are fearless.
This pigeon was walking around and intentionally put on some bread necklaces.
Oh damn. You think it could break it for, like, to fly free, or no? Is it gonna be
This
stuck?
llama heard someone make a rude comment.
Ew, he's ugly. That's cute.
He's about to fuck you up.
Did I say something?
Oh, you lucky it just walked away. That scared the shit out of me. Oh no. Why? Why? Oh, that scared the fuck out of me. No, why? And you're letting it do it. What the fuck, man? I can't. Is that a bull?
This monkey just realized that he might need some glasses.
He's got my glasses. What's your prescription, bro?
So, what do you think he's thinking about?
Aww. There's something about monkeys and chimps
I
and...
think we found out who the main character is.
Why does he look so adorable, but the eyes are like beady and stuff, and it's weird. I don't know, man. But yeah, there's something about monkeys and gorillas and chimpanzees and apes and what, like all of them. I don't know. I just binge watched Planet of the Apes again, like all of them, and I don't know. Like, and then just they're so fucking smart. Not saying that I think Planet of the Apes is real, but if you look at videos and they do some tests and stuff like that, their IQ, there is like incredible how they.
She kept being harassed by her horse, so she decided to finally catch him in the act.
Oh, you just have to permit. I'm sorry. Maybe he's telling you something, man. Maybe it's a sign. Ooh.
Say cheese. Cheese.
Ah. Oh. Is he okay? Okay.
This groundhog keeps stealing.
Is that a win or is that a loss? Because now he has, like, obviously all of them. Like, he's, you know, I don't know.
Food from this farmer.
I feel like
and
that's a
always eats
W
it
for him.
directly in front of the security camera.
Okay, I have a pet peeve. I'm gonna be honest with you. I can't. People that smack their lips while eating or like, yeah, basically, I can't stand it. Okay, I can hear it amplified times 1,000. But gophers or whatever this thing is, it's kind of cute. I could tolerate this. But if it was a human, I would. Oh man, I would lose my mind. Look at him.
These otters were spotted chasing a butterfly. I think this fish is broken.
Oh, what type of fish is that? Is that a... It's probably a goldfish with some sort of condition. I have a fish myself.
Sometimes an octopus will try and punch a fish just for fun.
That looks more like a bitch slap to me.
Wakey, wakey.
Oh my god.
This is a hognose.
Ah, see? Ah, I can't, man. I can't. This is like unlocking... not really, but it's phobias, man. Like, there's people barefoot in the sand at beaches and shit. While there's little crabs and shit. I remember one time I went to the DR. I went to the motherland for me, right? And we were what they call La Avenida España, right? Which is basically like a strip, like where you walk and there's like the sea, or yeah, you can see the sea and all that, and there's a bunch of boulders and rocks and stuff. You can just chill. There's a bunch of little crabs. I don't know what they're called, but they're like the little crabs and stuff. I don't understand how people have the balls to walk barefoot knowing that shit is hidden and that can just like claw at you. And when they claw, they don't let go. They don't let go. I can't do it. As a diabetic myself, I have to be afraid of stepping on glass and shells and whatever shit, just because obviously I'm with diabetes. But imagine you step on a crab and that shit just like nah.
This is a hognose snake, which is a harmless snake that likes to play dead.
Hey, that's kind of cool. I don't know what it is about snakes. I'm not afraid of snakes at all. There's people who are snakes and spiders are like on the same level to me. No. I do well with snakes, okay? I was in DR, right? Boca Chica is a beach over there, beautiful. I wish I can be there right now. But there's this guy that had a giant python, dude. I took a photo with it. Now, don't ask me for that photo because I'm going to have trouble locating it. But trust me, okay? I held it around my neck and I took a picture. And it wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad.
For some reason, this cow was trying to catch its own tail.
Bro's going to get dizzy. Or... Sis is gonna get dizzy.
I have never seen this type of disrespect before.
Okay.
Ooh. Oh, wait a minute. Why is that so funny? He's like, you trying to give me a fucking spoiled ass banana? Get the fuck out of here. Look at the bruises on that shit. You know what? He wants an organic banana. He's like, fuck. Actually, no. It's the other way around. He's like, fuck this organic shit. Give me a conventional banana. Look at that little ass freaking.
Okay.
For some reason, this hamster has a knife. Why is this capybara so small?
Nah, it's distorted in the water, I think. No?
This truck that was carrying oranges
I
broke
don't know.
down, so these elephants took advantage.
The guys have got a bit of a problem here.
You think?
And the elephants are coming and helping themselves.
See?
Taking advantage.
I used to think like the elephant's trunk was like a, I don't know what I thought, but apparently they use it as an extra limb. So it's like an extra hand that they basically use to like feed themselves or whatever. I don't know. And it obviously has a spout, whatever, that they can blow water and shit, but they really just use it as like an extra thing. Oh damn, he watched it.
Were trying to build a nest together.
I know that move. That's the drunken. Wait a minute. Where's it at? Where's it at? Where's the? That right there. That's the drunken hamster stance. I know that. That's a kung fu karate move. Okay, I know because I used to grow up watching martial art movies myself. Okay, actually, I had like every Bruce Lee, Jet Li, and Jackie Chan movies ever. My dad was a giant fan, but I know this stance right here. He's a master of Shaolin.
Build a nest together.
Oh! You just cracked its neck. I don't even know if it has a like a vertebrae or whatever. But why are eagles so epic? I'm not saying that because it's patriotic. It's like America, whatever. No, they actually look. I mean, apart from like hawks, I guess owls. Not furless. I mean, featherless owls though. They look weird.
Oh my god.
Bro, he's just hitchhiking.
Apertura automática.
Whoa! Is he gonna eat the paper though? I don't know.
He's done.
Damn, that's epic. Imagine they had their own sport of just gliding on ice or skating. I don't know.
And it started demanding.
Oh my god.
This guy found a really round bear.
He is a fat bear. Oh my god.
I hope he heard your ass. That's fucked up, man.
This duck loves.
He's just a fluffy bear. Like, come on, dude. You really have to fat shame animals? Really? Really?
Getting kisses.
Oh, I knew that was gonna happen.
It's not back.
Have you ever seen a horse that's equipped?
I feel bad. That's animal abuse right there. You can't just do that. Did you brush your teeth? Is it early in the morning? You can't just do that. That's a defense mechanism. You can't just be imagine going up to a person and being like, how would you do that to a poor animal? What if they pass away?
This pigeon was hurt, so they spent months nursing
I
it
don't
back
even
to
want to
full
know.
health. They were finally ready to release it back into the wild.
You just gotta keep it.
I can't tell which bird is more angry.
He's like, hey, yo, you're giving us a bad name. You're giving us a bad rep. He's just, look at him.
This poor
That was
guy doesn't
impressive.
know how wheels work.
Maybe he doesn't know how wheels work, and he's just, I don't know. I'm just saying, maybe it's I don't know. I don't want to say anything. I don't want to imply anything. I'm just
This
saying.
fish somehow found a pacifier.
Again, don't give him ideas. I know he's like this small, but
This little baby chicken was adopted by this duck.
Aw, that's kind of cute.
Dreamer pooped, yes. So just oh man. You poop?
This ostrich kept bothering this giraffe.
Whoa, wait a minute. Again, I wonder, bro. Do animals, is it just by coincidence or do they understand? Because like I be seeing some clips, some videos of animals that it leaves me like shocked as hell. Like I know obviously, yeah, they're capable of maybe not understanding completely, but they kind of get it. But like
You poop? Oh yeah?
like that's
This
not a
ostrich kept
coincidence.
bothering this giraffe.
Oh, he's gonna smack. He's gonna whip. Oh, I thought he was gonna whip his neck because that's how they fight. Like giraffe. I've seen this documentary. The giraffes versus giraffes. They just whip their necks like what? But damn, dude.
This monkey was really excited to see her.
Good morning, Nick. Yeah.
Ah,
This poor little guy.
there's nothing that gets me more emotional again than freaking monkey and chimpanzee clips, especially the ones where they reunite with their caretaker or someone that took care of them young. Oh man, those videos, they make me emotional. I can't lie.
I couldn't hold on.
Is it gonna be like the one we seen earlier or no? That reminds me of at the playground. There's this thing that you gotta kind of hold on to, and if you don't, you kind of go whoop. This is this. Look at him. Look at him. He'd be like, "I'll fuck you up if they let me go out. I would fuck this. I would fuck you up, dude." Jeez, man. Aw. Now that looks weird. Why? His back
This
part
penguin
is in
wasn't
his
having
front.
A very good day after falling in some mud.
Aw. Aw, man. She fails. She fails.
This cat somehow managed to scare away a bear.
Why are bears afraid of cats? I mean, I'm afraid of cats too, man. I'm not gonna lie. You can't trust cats. You can't trust cats.
Why their car wasn't starting.
A raccoon?
Just like that, Cash.
Oh, it's over. Oh, it's over.
My M4 just got jacked.
What you gonna do? What do you do? What do you do? You just give him the keys. Just give him the keys. There's nothing you can do. This guy will just slap you and you would wake up next weekend. Like what? Look at him. God damn. That's impressive. Oh, whoa.
I'm trying to go
Jesus.
to sleep or take a nap, and he's just.
It seems like this bird is trying to be as annoying as possible. So, why is he sitting like this?
He's just, yeah, I know this. He's just reflecting on life, man. We've all been there. We've all been there.
This lion was chasing a wildebeest when the unexpected happened.
Are they gonna gang up on him? Oh, wait, what?
Someone found a bird that wants to take over the world.
That is creepy. That is kind of creepy.
She really decided that violence was the only option.
Oh, Pigeon Tower.
Oh, Pigeon Tower.
This deer loves eating bananas. These two fish really don't like each other.
I found Nemo. I found Nemo.
What the heck is going on here?
Are they territorial fish? Because there's some fish that are territorial. They can't coexist together in the same tank. Like for instance, this guy right here, this guy right here. I can't put another one of him. He would fight to the death. Like it is. Flash over there is a beta fish. Okay, that is a Siamese fighting fish. They're very territorial. You put another one in there, and they fight until the death. Okay, that's why he's in his paradise. Okay, I can't do that. I will never do that, by the way. But are these guys territorial? What?
Oh, what? What?
That's impressive. What the fuck?
You have to stop coming around. Stop bringing your mates. I can see.
I've seen this one before.
We have no food.
The fisherman caught a fish and then tried to release it, but it wouldn't swim back down. This is because there was air in the gas bladder of the fish.
Oh!
The fisherman helped the fish burp to release the air.
Burp it out.
God damn. Okay, I'm not gonna pause. But another fun fact about my boy Flash over there. Okay, beta fish have an organ called the labyrinth organ. So he is capable of not only taking in oxygen from the water, but periodically he would go up to the surface and gasp for air. That's right, he can breathe air. Because of that I found this so amazing, man. These fish, that fish is so incredible. Like I did a deep research on it before getting him, and I was mind blown. They're able to swim up to the surface and breathe air just like you and I. But
that better.
Yeah.
Now let's see.
Hey, W man.
Oh, look at that.
He just saved his. Oh. Oh man, that's even worse. What is happening? Aw, that's so cute. Look at him.
These raccoons were caught in the act.
Uh-oh. You think he's just there like, oh shit, here we go again. Oh, don't do that, bro. Yeah, well deserved. Yeah, he can't do nothing. He can't do nothing. Is there something? Because I seen a video of a turtle dapping up one of those, okay, and he didn't do nothing. Is there like something there? I don't really know. Like alligators or crocodiles v turtles. Like, are they? I'm not saying they're afraid, but are they just like something where it's like, you lucky I can't do nothing to you? Like, I don't know. I was wondering that.
That is the end of this video, or I hope you enjoyed.
Oh, I did enjoy
it.
Again very soon. Later. I love it. Oh man, I can't wait for part 2. I can't wait for part 2, but that was very, very interesting. That was very interesting.